The different nicknames of the 82 provinces of the Philippines. Metro Manila in the National Capital Region is known as the Pearl of the Orient. Manila, historically known as the Pearl of the Orient for its beauty and strategic location. The province of Abra in the Cordillera Administrative Region is called the Bamboo Province. This is because of the abundant bamboo forests. The province of Apayao in the Cordillera Administrative Region is known as Cordillera's last frontier because it is remote and largely unexplored compared to the other provinces in the region. The province of Benguet in the Cordillera Administrative Region is known as the salad bowl of the Philippines because they produce a variety of vegetables and flowers. The province of Ifugao in the Cordillera Administrative Region is known as the land of the eighth wonder because it is home to the Banawi rice terraces, considered the eighth wonder of the world. The province of Kalinga, also in the Cordillera Administrative Region, is known as the land of the brave. This is because they are known for its warrior culture and traditional tattooing. For Mountain Province in the Cordillera Administrative Region, they are known as the weaving capital of the North because they are famous for their traditional hand-woven products. For the province of Ilocos Norte in Region 1, they are known as the Sunshine City because they are famous for their sunny weather and tourist spots like Pagudpod. For the province of Ilocos Sur, also in Region 1, they are known as the Heritage Haven of the North because Vigan City is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is located in Ilocos Sur. For the province of La Union in Region 1, it is known as the surfing capital of the North because of its popularity when it comes to surfing. There are lots of beaches around, surfing beaches. For the province of Pangasinan in Region 1, it is known as the heartland of Luzon because it's strategically located in central Luzon with a rich cultural heritage. For the province of Batanes in Region 2, it is known as the home of the winds because it is known for its strong winds and unique stone houses. For the province of Cagayan in Region 2, it is known as the smiling land of beauty because it is known for its friendly people and beautiful landscapes. For the province of Isabela in Region 2, it is known as the Rhine and Corn Granary of Luzon because it is a major producer of rice and corn in the Philippines. For the province of Nueva Vizcaya in Region 2, it is known as the Watershed Haven of the North because it has important watershed areas contributing to water supply. For the province of Quirino, also in Region 2, it is known as the Forest Heartland of Cagayan. It's because it has rich in forests and natural resources. For the province of Aurora in Region 3, it is known as the Gateway to the Pacific because it is located on the eastern coast facing the Pacific Ocean. For the province of Bataan in Region 3, it is known as the History Hub of Central Luzon because it is known as the site of the infamous Bataan Death March during World War II. For the province of Bulacan in Region 3, it is known as the Land of Heroes because it is the birthplace of many Filipino heroes. For the province of Nueva Ecija in Region 3, it is known as the Rice Granary of the Philippines because it is the leading producer of rice. For the province of Pampanga, also in Region 3, it is known as the culinary capital of the Philippines because it is known for its rich culinary heritage. For the province of Tarlac in Region 3 as well, it is known as the melting pot of Central Luzon because of its diverse cultures and traditions. For the province of Zambales in Region 3, it is known as the wreck diving capital of the Philippines because it is known for its numerous shipwreck dive sites. For the province of Batangas in Region 4A, it is known as the land of rolling hills and wide shorelands because it is known for its beautiful landscapes and coastlines. For the province of Cavite in Region 4A, it is known as the historical capital of the Philippines because important historical events took place here, including the Declaration of Independence. For the province of Laguna in Region 4A, it is known as the resort capital of the Philippines because it's famous for its numerous resorts and hot springs. For the province of Quezon in Region 4A, it is known as the coconut capital of the Philippines because the province is a major producer of coconuts. For the province of Rizal in Region 4A, it is known as the cradle of Philippine art because many artists and cultural heritage sites are located here. For the province of Marinduque in Region 4B, it is known as the heart of the Philippines because it is geographically located near the center of the Philippine archipelago. For the province of Occidental Mindoro in Region 4B, it is known as the Marine Wonderland because of its rich marine biodiversity. Oriental Mindoro in Region 4B, it is known as the rice granary and fruit basket of southern Tagalog because it is a major producer of rice and fruits. For the province of Palawan in Region 4B, it is known as the Lost Frontier because it is known for its untouched natural beauty and biodiversity. For the province of Romblon in Region 4B, it is known as the marble capital of the Philippines because it is famous for its marble products. For the province of Albay in Region 5, it is known as the land of the perfect cone because it is home to the Mayon volcano, known for its perfect cone shape. For the province of Camarines Norte in Region 5, it is known as the gateway to Bicolandia because it is located at the northernmost part of the Bicol Peninsula. For the province of Camarines Sur in Region 5, it is known as the wakeboarding capital of the Philippines because it is known for its CWC wakeboarding complex. Catanduanes, also in Region 5, is known as the Happy Island because it is known for its friendly people and scenic spots. For the province of Masbate in Region 5, it is known as the Rodeo Capital of the Philippines because it is famous for its annual rodeo festival. For the province of Sorsogon in Region 5, it is known as the Whale Shark Capital because of the known whale shark watching in Donsol. For the province of Aklan in Region 6, it is home of the Ati-Atihan because of the famous Ati-Atihan Festival held in the province. For the province of Antique in Region 6, it has a nickname where the mountains meet the sea because it is known for its mountainous terrain and coastal areas. For the province of Capiz in Region 6, it is known as the seafood capital of the Philippines because it is renowned for its abundant seafood. For the province of Guimaras in Region 6 as well, it is known as the mango capital of the Philippines because it is famous for its sweet mangoes. The province of Iloilo in Region 6 is known as the heart of the Philippines because historically and geographically significant. For the province of Negros Occidental, it is a part of the Negros Island region and it is known as the Sugar Bowl of the Philippines because the province is a major producer of sugar. For the province of Bohol in Region 7, it is known as